Shrimp Tank. 20CH is still watching you. Where are you? Where you leave me? Why you leave me? Don't do that because it's not good. You should connect to other one. You give them ads and they will give you ads too. Don't do that again, please, please, please. Please be cooperate. Please be respectful. I know it's only Hillbilly here. I monitor who is watching me right now. I see only Hillbilly Creativity is one here in my life today. You come, but you leave me too. 20CH. I'm watching you. I will give you full ads. Why you do that? Okay, if I'm done to you, I will go again to Hillbilly Creativity. Oh, don't do that to my life. Please, please, please. Even though I'm working, even though I'm busy, I still watching all your videos. Those who want to ads, those monetized channel, I will give full ads. That's why you be responsible to everyone who give you important to sending you a support, full support. You should uh, truth, not not only visit live and bring down your link and live like that. Don't do that again. It's not good. It's not good to our fellow friends here in YouTube. If you want ads, you can connect to others. You give me ads and I will give you ads too. We help we help together. We are going to help everyone. Connect to my super chatters book son. Hill Bailey creativity is still PG mode. Thank you so much, MOG. Still watching you. Hill Bailey creativity together with 20CH. 20CH, I don't see you here. I am sorry because I don't see you even though sending a BG emoji. I don't feel it. Unlike Hill Bailey creativity is still watching. Hi sis, good morning from Heart Mix Vlog. Good morning to sis Heart Mix Vlog. Thank you so much for coming on my live. Ayan, puntahan kita Heart Mix Vlog ha. Puntahan kita. Ayan. Hello everyone from Heart Mix Vlog. Ayan. Heart Mix Vlog. Dikitan mo si Super Chatters ko kahapon na si Habi Harrison. Yan yung kanyang Parang dumikit yata siya sa'yo kahapon. Nakita mo yung bakas niya? Kuya Nevels, mega love shout out sa ating mga member. Good morning to all my friends, especially to my members and super chatters like Kuya Nevels, Heart Mix Vlog, and of course to our new member, Hill Bailey Creativity. Thank you so much for all your support. Heart Mix Vlog from Hilly Bailey Creativity. Yes, sis, dinidikitan ko lahat ng bag. Yes, Heart Mix Vlog. Maraming salamat. Ayan, kumusta ka na? Dito lang ako nag-ano sa'yo, nanonood. Hindi ako nakapagsukli sa'yo sa Facebook. Dito ako nag-ano sa YouTube. I do watching yung mga videos kapag wala na akong ginagawa. Kayo ni Kuya Nevons and of course, Hill Bailey Creativity, my new member here in Kalisen Club. Di na busy sis. Okay lang, sakto lang. Busy pa rin. Nagdilig ako ng halaman. Then pagpasok ko, diretso live. Na live ako. Kung wala akong ginagawa, ganun na lang ginagawa ko. Kasi may mga nagko-comment pa rin sa YouTube ko. Sinusuglian ko sila doon.